to take the iCloud recordings and put them on YouTube. How do you guys feel about having private or public YouTube videos of these classes?
I wouldn't mind.
Probably email the wider group, but I kind of like the idea of having videos available to anyone who wants to learn how to speak to their children. But I also know it can be a vulnerable place to be learning, and to be sensitive of people who might not want other people to see them learning. But
yeah, I don't know.
Anyway,
I guess I wouldn't mind, but no, it depends on others.
Yeah, I'll probably send an email and see what people think.
Why, you just like looking for a place to put the recordings just so people have them?
Yeah, because nobody's been able to access the iCloud recordings. And so I figured out how to put them on YouTube. And so then I'm deciding if I want it to be private or public. But I'll email the group and get a wide consensus. Okay. Hola, tingnaziga. Isagutisa. Let's get started. Ilisoti niya giga. Inupiatun Uiviilaut meklektuvut. Inupiatun attika Aġlizaqlaut Uiviilaut Inupiatun. And here's just a quick review of the verb stems that we have covered so far. And Pikbuggy in North Slope. So North Slope is on this side. Inupiatun is on this side. Pikbuggy, Pikbake is to love. Igyagi is to cuddle. Kunu is to coo. Munagi is to take care of. Ekit is to hug. Erit is to hug. Moagi is to look after. Hunik is the same, to kiss. Nunyak, to express affection. Digumak and Timak is to hold. And last week, we learned this song. And I know none of you are here, so I'll sing it real quick. Inupiatun. Duvomuin, meklirang, nagusok, duvakduatin, naguatun, duvakbin, atika makareklain. Asi North Slope, ekik bin, inyungulung, adiga, ekik simarudin, ekilo takbin, Ekilo takbin, makat kegelakbin I. Asi duvomuin, mechlirang, nagusok, duvakduatin, naguatun duvakbin. Atika makka geklein. Asi nor slope. Ik bin. Inyungolung. Ariga. Ik simarutin. Ik loadakbin. Makat kegelakbin I. Aposok digitjok.
Yeah. Uiviilaut.
I aposok.
Uiviilaut. Oh, sorry. Messy.
Uiviilaut. Daigo kitka makpiratin. Daigo kitka makpiratin. I want to read all of your books.
Yeah. Me too.
So I just reviewed these malorok atutik.
We're up late processing fish. We just got back from dip netting not too long ago, so I'm waking up.
Oh, I'm glad you got fish.
Hey, we limited out. It was awesome.
Yoy.
So good to see you.
Ariga kapkin. Tilugu una. Ariga. Dautuk. Kapkin.
Ariga
Dautuk
kapkin.
Dabra.
The allergies.
Kanokte nava. Kigiktam yutun una. Nulukutak. Nogujok. Kinikakvin.
Kakiklaklein. Makako.
Naomi.
Which
Kanokte
one?
nava. It's good to see you. Kigiktam yutun.
Oh, Piniluatak. Piniluatak. How do you say it? It's good to see you.
Nogujok.
Piniluatakpin. It's good to
Okay.
Piniluatakpin.
Okay. Nogurok dakpin. Piniluatakpin.
Piniluatakpin.
Okay. Nogurok dakpin.
Piniluatakpin.
Inupiatun asi North Slope Adiga Dautu Kapkin. Uva na lagasi Makkage Kalen
Makakikalen. Ito kata makakikalen.
Adosigun Delugu Adosigun Delugu Makkagekalen.
Makakikalen.
Akang Delugu Pingasuni.
Makakikalen. Wait, makakikalen.
Ilo taktutin Karya Roidlak Delugu Pingasuni.
Makakikalen.
Yeah.
Makakikalen.
Araha asi
Makakikalen.
na lagasi Kanernasi Makat Keglakpin. Makat keglakpin. Asi atochikun telugu. Atochikun telugu. Makat
Makat
bin.
kilakpin.
Kika. Kat. Kika.
At kikalain. No,
Uh,
wait.
now
Makat.
so
Wait, makat kaklakpin.
uva. Bin.
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 Lakpin.
Lakbin.
Glakpin.
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 Oh, what is it?
Kilakpin.
Glakbin.
Kilakpin.
Keglakpin.
Keglakbin.
Kiklakpin. Kiklakpin.
Keglakpin.
Keglakbin.
Kiklakpin.
Kat keglakpin.
Kat. Keglakbin.
Glakpin.
Makat keglakpin.
Makat keglak.
Glakpin.
Makat keglak.
Makat
Keglakbin. Makat keglakbin. Kat keglakbin.
kilakpin.
Makat keglakbin.
Arigatilo tariksi.
Kiklakpin.
Opos telugu makat keglakpin pingasuni.
Makat keglakbin. Makat keglakbin. Makat keglakbin.
Asi Elizabeth.
Makat Kiglakpin.
Pingasuni.
He's asking me to read. Makat Kiglakpin. Makat Kiglakpin. Makat Kiglakpin.
Arigatilo tarin una. Koyanak. Una makarikalin naga makat keglakpin. Let me change your diaper. Asi I will change your diaper. Sivunikaktok Inupiatun makarikliogigbin naga makat kenyarikbin. Let Uva, I will change your diaper. Kikikta mutun nalagasi kanirnasi makarikliogigbin. Makarikliogigbin. Makarikliogigbin.
Makakliorikpin.
Kyurikvin. Kyurikvin.
Adosirun telugu vin.
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 Gekvin.
Gikvin. Gikvin.
Klurikbin.
Kliorikpin.
Gekliorikvin.
Klurikbin.
Gikliorikpin. Bin.
Karikliorikvin.
Kyurikvin.
Karakliorikvin.
Makarikliorikvin.
Makarikliorikvin.
Kyurikvin.
Makarikliorikvin.
Klurikbin.
You think it's Gekvin? Akang?
Huh?
Think it's Gekvin instead of Gekvin?
Oh, Gigvin. Makarikliorikvin.
Klurikbin.
Makarikliorikvin. Makarikliorikvin. Gigvin or Gikvin?
Yeah.
Gigvin or Gikvin? Kanok.
That's the question. Well, it was she said it was Gekvin.
Okay.
Klurikbin.
Gikvin.
Yeah.
Gik. Rigbin. Rigbin. Makakakliorigbin.
Makka.
Liorigbin. Makakakliorigbin. Makakakliorigbin. Rigbin. It seems to me like Rigbin.
Mhm.
Rigbin. It might be easier to say Rigbin. Oh,
Yeah.
Rigbin.
Tiku. Kaya ko ilak tilugu una pingasuni.
Makariklurik-vin.
Makakakliorigbin.
Makariklurik-vin. Rigvin.
Rigbin.
Rigvin. Sorry.
Rigbin. Rigbin.
Makariklurik-vin.
Yeah, Rigbin. Rigbin.
Rig.
Rigbin. Rigbin.
Sorry.
Rigbin.
Makariklurik-vin. Rigvin.
Rigbin.
Dobra. Arigati tuatakin. Asi North Slope nalakasi makat kingyaripin. Makat kingyaripin. Makat kingyaripin.
Rigbin. Rigbin.
Asi adosi guntelu bin
Rigbin.
yek bin
Rigbin.
nyaripin
Rigbin.
kingyaripin.
Kinyarekpin.
Kingyar
Rigbin.
Kinyarekpin.
Rigbin. Rigbin.
kat kingyaripin.
Kat kinyarekpin.
Rigbin.
Kat kinyarekpin.
Like king, like king, like the word king, kinya.
Rigbin. Rigbin. Rigbin.
Ariga. Makat kingyaripin.
Matkat
Rigbin.
kinyarekpin.
Alright.
Kinyarekpin.
I aposok tilugu una pingasuni.
Makat kinyarekpin. Makat kinyarekpin. Makat kinyarekpin.
Unika. Hold on, pardon.
Aha. Asi Elizabeth. Pigu giga Inupiatun ninyin.
Narvan? Oh, wait. I asked my Inupiatun.
Yeah,
Narvan. Narvarak.
Narvan. Okay, Narvarak.
Narvo.
Ukto yung una pingasuni.
Makat kinirikpin. Makat kinirikpin. Makat kinirikpin. Makat kinirikpin.
Makat kinyaritpin.
Makat kinirikpin. Makat kinirikpin.
Pilotak din. Asi una nalalutin unga. Lay down right here. Nalarin uvunga. Lay down right here. Nalalutin unga. Nalarin uvunga.
Nalalutin.
Uiviilaut. Naalagasi qanernasi. Naalagasi qanernasi. Nalalutin unga. Nalalutin unga. Nalalutin unga. Asi adosigun teilugu. Nalalutin
Nalalutin
unga.
Unna.
Bunga.
Akang teilugu pingasuni.
Nalalutin unna. Nalalutin unna. Nalalutin unna. Unna.
Qariaruillaq pingasuni teilugu ata.
Nalulutin ungna. Nalulutin ungna. Nalalutin ungna.
Asi naalagasi norso. Qanermasi. Nallarin uvunga. Nallarin uvunga. Nallarin uvunga. Nallarin uvunga. Adosigun teilugu.
Nalagin
Uvunga.
uvunga. Nalagin uvunga. Uvunga.
Aposok uktuawukpiung pingasuni.
Oh.
Nalarin uvunga. Nalarin uvunga. Yep. Nalarin uvunga.
Uva ren.
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 Ring.
Ren.
Nallarin.
Nalarin.
Nalagin.
Sorry, I'm eating my egg.
Nalagin uvunga.
Nalarin uvunga.
Asi narvorak. Narvaurak.
Nalaring uvanga. Nalaring uvanga. Nalaring uvunga.
Pilotaktutin. Asi una. Good, you have a clean diaper. Nagujok ipkitoak makaktin. Norslope. Adiga makat kiksutin. Adiga makat kiksutin. Naalagasi. Naalagasi. Nagujok ipkitoak makaktin. Nagujok ipkitoak makaktin. Nagujok ipkitoak makaktin. Akang teilugu pingasuni.
Nakurok ipkitoak makatin. Nakurok ipkitoak makatin. Nakurok ipkitoak makatin. Nakurok
Makatin.
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 Would it be Nahurok or Nakurok?
Nagujok.
Nagurok or Nakurok?
Oh, nagujok.
Nagurok.
Nagujok.
Nagurok.
Nagujok.
Nagurok. Nagurok.
Tiku.
Nagurok.
Qariaruillaq pingasuni teiluguat.
Nahurak. ipkituak makatin. Nagujak ipkituak makatin. Makatin?
Makatin.
Makatin. Nagujak ipkituak makatin.
Bilodaktutin. Bilhuraktutin. North Slope. Nalagasi. Ariga makat kiksutin. Ariga makat kiksutin. Ariga makat kiksutin. Adochikun de lugu de yalakut. Ariga makat kiksutin.
Ariga makat kiksutin. Ariga makat kiksutin. Ariga makat kiksutin. Ariga makat kiksutin.
Makat sutin. Ariga makat sutin. Ariga makat sutin. Di mana ano?
Yeah,
Siya.
kiksutin.
Sutin. Sutin.
Now me true. Now me true. Makat kiksutin.
Makat sutin. Sutin. Makat sutin.
Asi Navarak.
Arya makatkiksutin. Arya makatkiksutin. Ami. Ariga makatkiksutin.
Yoy. Una de Wurden. Sound like you say that a lot. Ki Ilisa Gutani Makakalen Makatkerlakbin Makakleorikbin Makatkenyarabin Nalalutin unga Nalarin uvunga Narujok ipkituak makatin Ariga makakiksutin. Suva una Kenya it karivyung Kenya at it karivyung una
Makat kenyarabin. Makat
una I makat kenyarabin
Makat kenyarabin. What my
Ito
cheat
taktutin. Kenya it karivyung una. Who remembers this one? Una makarikalen.
Makarikalen. Makarikalen.
Naga makat kirlakbin.
Makat
Makat kirlakbin. Kenya it karivyung una.
Hit. Nyatan. Oh, nalaliripin.
Nalalutin unga.
Oh, nalalutin unga. Nalalutin unga.
Asi North Slope. Nalarin uvunga.
Ubunga.
Unga.
Nalarin
Nalarin. Uvunga. Nalarin. Nalarin. Nalarin una.
Unga.
Unga. Una. Unga.
North Slope uvunga.
Unga.
Uvunga.
Unga.
Ubunga.
Unga.
Ubunga.
Nalarin uvunga. Nalarin.
Mm.
Nalarin uvunga.
Ubunga.
Kinya itkarivyung una.
Narujak ip Kituak
Yeah.
Kituak
Uh-huh.
Ip.
I forget the last.
Ipkituak.
Makalin.
Ipkituak.
Makatin.
Makatin.
Nagujok ipkituak makatin.
Narujak Kituak Makatin.
Ujok. Ipkituak. Makatin. Nagujok ipkituak makatin.
Asi North Slope. Adiga makat.
Kiglakbin. Ya makat kiglakbin.
Adiga makat kiralapin.
Achan. Adiga makat kiksutin.
Adiga
Ariga
Makat
makatin.
kiksudin. Ya makat kiksudin.
Ariga makatin.
Atu guminyak tutin. You can also say Ariga makat kinyarikbin, or I think what you said was right.
Adiga makat. What was it?
Kiksut.
Makat.
Makat.
Adiga makat kiksutin. Adiga makat kiksutin. Adiga makat kiksutin.
Uva ilisari tani. Makarikliorin. Nalalutin unga. Nahujok ipkituak makatin. Asi North Slope. Makat kirlakpin. Makat kinyarikpin. Nalarin uvunga. Ahariga makat kiksutin. Akang ujiokpin una kirtamutun. Ilukasa
Okay.
or iluka.
Makagiklar lane. Makagiklar lane. Is it?
Makarikaling.
Makagiklar lane. Di mana? Makagiklar lane.
Javra.
Makagiklarigvin. Nalalutin unga. Unga. Nagurok ipkituak makaktin. Makatin.
Yeah.
Nagurok ipkituak makatin.
Asi hakayakoilak ujiok piu.
Buktuak lu.
Makarikalen. Makarikliurikvin. Nalalutin ungna. Narujak Kituak Makatin.
Raha. Pilotak tutin pilgu ratutin. Daigo ako piung una aposok.
Makat kirlakpin. Makat kinyarikpin. Lalarin ubanga area makatkiksutin.
Yoi. Una, nalarin. Ilugu una, nalarin.
Nalagan. Nalagan. Nalagan.
Nalarin. Nalarin.
Nalagan.
Can you say nalarin? Na the N
Nalarin.
Nala-
Nalarin. Ren.
Ren
Ren.
Ren
Nalarin.
Nalarin. Nalarin.
Okay.
Nalarin.
Narvarak.
Makat kirlakpin, makat king nyarikpin, nalarin ubanga arya makat king arya makat kiksitin.
Yoi. Below Dr. Din. Asi, Kenya itkarib yung una.
Nagusro?
Nalalatin.
Nalarin ubanga.
Nalalatin. Unga.
Nalalutin unga nara. Nalarin uvunga.
Unga.
Asi, Kenya itkarib yung. Makarek Leo.
Maka. Maka.
Maka-
Win.
Makakikliurikvin.
Win. Win.
Makarek Leo Revin.
Win.
Kakikliurikvin.
Kanok mumek pa una nalawak nitun. Kanok mumek pa una nalawak nitun. Makarek Leo Revin.
I will change your diaper.
Abra.
Makatkiksutin.
Asi kanok tenava nor slope. Newton.
Makat something nyarikpin.
Makat Kenya Rekpin.
Nyarikpin.
Nalarin.
Makat Kenya Rekpin.
Makatkiksutin.
I will change your diaper. Let's see. Si Kenya itkarib yung una. Oops. Makarek. Makat
Nyarikpin.
kik.
Nyarikpin.
Makalain.
Makarek.
Makaling.
Hanok mumik pa una nalawak Newton. Makarikalain. Naka makat kiglakpin. Nor slope makat kiglakpin. Kanok mumik pa una nalawak Newton.
Makatkiksutin.
Makakiglakpin.
Makatkiksutin.
Makarikalain. Makat kiglakpin.
Makatkiksutin. Makatkiksutin.
Una, let me change your diaper. Let me change your diaper.
Lane.
Uva, kunikalein, iritkalein, nuniakalein. Let me kiss you. Let me hug you. Let me nunak you. Asi norso. Kunirlakpin. Ikilakpin. Let me hug you. Tirumiarlakpin. Let me hold you. Tirumiarlakpin. Asi makat kirlakpin. Sivuni kakdok. Let me. The lakpin. Asi una. Kinya itkarevion.
Nahujak. Timik.
Nalakin uvangan.
Hindi ko kaya makan.
No, okay. Ariga makatkik. Naga nagujok ipki.
Yeah.
Makan.
Nagujok ipkitok makatin.
Makatin.
Naga ariga makatkik sutin. Ariga makatkik sutin. Kanok mumikba una nalormutun. Nagujok ipkitok makatin.
Nahujak. Ipkitur.
I am
Tuwak.
Ipkitur. Tuat or tuak?
Dok.
Dok.
Ipkitok.
Ipkitur. Ipkituak. Makatin.
Is sivunikak dok nalormutun. It's good that you have a clean diaper. It's good that you have a clean diaper. Nagujok ipkitok makatin. Ariga makatkik sutin.
Ariga makatkiksutin.
Ariga makatkik sutin. Okay. Let's see. So I should have told you guys to bring a baby because I think
Give me
for
your nuts.
the last few minutes, inumurok, I'm just gonna play act. I'm gonna play act this activity of makat. Okay, anong wrong? Makakalein, makakliwirvin, nalalutin uvunga. Nagujok ipkitok makatin. Asi, suli. Inung miklirang inumurak. Makarikalin. Makakliwirvin. Nalalutin unga. Davra. Nagujok ipkituak makatin. Sinor slope. Inyungulong. Makat kiglakpin. Makat kengyarikpin. Nalarenuvunga. Ariga makat keksutin. Uvasuli. Inyungurak. Uiviilaut. Makat kiglakpin. Makat kengyarikpin. Nalarenuvunga. Ariga makat keksutin. Akang, uktuarukpyung, inyungurakavin.
Inumurakatunga.
Aposok, inyungurakakpin. Inyungurakakpin.
I can go get one.
Ki.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Makakikalain. Makakliorigvin. Wait, I can't see. Makakliorigvin. Nalalutin unga. Nagurok ipkituak makatin. Makak. Gotta find a makak.
Okay, una suli. Uktuarukpyung suli.
Kina.
Makakikalain. Kanok dinava, do it again.
Oh, makakalain. Makakliorigvin. Nalalutin unga. Nagurok ipkituak makatin.
Now inyunguran.
Oh, uva.
Aturung inyungurak.
Makakalain. Makakliorigvin. Nalalutin unga. Nagurok ipkituak makatin.
Tiku. Aposok.
Hey,
Uktuarukpyung.
the best I could get. But she has a.
Makakatok. Makakatok.
Uiviilaut. Makat kiglakpin. Makat kinyarikpin. Nalarin uvunga. Ariga makat keksutin.
Oi.
Again?
Suli.
Yeah. Uiviilaut. Makat kiglakpin. Makat kinyarikpin. Nalarin uvunga. Ariga makat keksutin.
Yoi. Kaya ko ilak uktuarukpyung.
Makakikalain. Makakliorigvin. Nalalutin unga. Nagurok ipkituak makatin.
Asi
Maybe.
Narvarak.
Mislik durakak tunga makat kak tungalu. Mislik duraka nirirok. he's eating right now, so I'll just go ahead and say this. Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, makat kirlakpin, makat hingyarikpin, nalakin uvanga arya makakiksuten. I mean,
Uvasulli. Okay. So I will updaruk. Maybe she's busy with baby. Okay. So Ariga. I think we'll do just like an hour class today because we got through that pretty quick. But apikutikak bisi.
No me. Asin see.
Is that, do you have any questions?
Mm-hmm.
So makat it said it was diapers. Is there, can you distinguish between plural and singular?
Yeah, mak like let's see. Is makak singular, Mom?
Makak. Yeah,
Makak and makat.
makak.
And then. What?
Makak would be 2 makak and makat would be 3.
Makak.
Right,
Mm.
3 plus.
So are those endings are pretty universal for that, or does it kind of depend?
If that's like the basic endings, but if you have a noun that ends with an N, you would take the N off and add a TI. And for dual, you would have TIK, and for plural, you had TIT. So there's some like variants of that, but if you see an ending, usually singular is like ends with an N or a Q, dual ends with a K, and plural ends with a T.
So makak is 1.
And so maybe I'll show, I didn't include this in this one, but I will show you the breakdown in what you learned. So in North Slope, the post base it is to change. The verb stem for to diaper is makak. Lakbin is let me do something to you. Nyak is also a akuniron or post base.
Yeah.
And when you see this I right here, it means it's a strong I. And then ren is like a so the strong I changes the what would normally be rutin or what would normally root into an S, which is why there's an S there instead of let's see, what's the other? Rutin. Oh, tutin. That's why there's no T. But, and then ren is like a command. It's like commanding you. So this is sort of like
I'm going to
how
change
you
your diaper.
you string this together.
Cool.
And
More than two would be makut.
Or
makat.
makat.
Okay.
So the T here is not saying it's plural. What happens when you add this post base to change onto this verb stem, the Q drops. So this minus, so this has a minus sign, which means you need to drop the final sound in the verb stem and add it right onto it. So having makat kirlakbin on there is has nothing to do with it being plural. It's just adding this post base onto it.
Okay.
So, since I've only attended a couple of these, so for us to practice in the meantime, did you figure out how to make the recording available, or what can we do besides using our notes, if that's, or should we just be using our notes?
Yeah, I emailed you YouTube recordings of the last two.
Okay, I'll have to, I've been
Yeah,
fishing.
and so I was asking folks earlier if they felt okay with them with these being public, or if we wanted them to be private.
Are you asking me?
Well, I asked everybody, but since you weren't here, I'm sharing that with you.
Okay. And what was the decision?
Well, people said they didn't mind having it be public. But I think I'll ask the wider group by email, just so everyone has an opportunity to, say what they think.
I kind of have mixed feelings, I guess. I'm surprised that I'm saying that, but yeah. But then everybody's trying to learn Inupiaq, so I mean, it's better that more people are able to versus a smaller group.
Yeah. I think people have time to think about it. Right now, the videos are public because I was afraid that if I sent them to you private, you would still have an issue accessing them. But I kind of want some more time to think about it too. And I'm curious to hear like the wider group.
How many people are there altogether?
I probably send this to like 30 people.
And then are you?
And I would,
oh, go ahead.
I would say like maybe I generally have anywhere between like 3 to 6 people join every week. So, and it's not always the same people. So it's kind of a smaller group, which is kind of why, like, I don't know. This is also like a pilot. It's kind of like a pilot, and I might kind of share this again with my wider circle to see like if others want to join. but like I don't know. I don't feel comfortable teaching this through like a university, because I feel like that's kind of excluding people. And I think like teaching language in the home to children is like is very I don't know. I just want it to be accessible, and like I don't want people to have to go through like another system or pay money, you know? Like I feel like this work is so it's I don't know, it's like sacred work to me, you know? Like this like getting my family and my friend community to use more Inupiaq so that we can do it together. Like I feel like it almost like should be like a grassroots experience.
Well, and especially if, Inupiaq is dying, which, or is just needs a lot more speakers, and you'll be more likely to, I mean, it's just like what's his name from Southeast, who made it free?
Lance Pune?
Yes. Made it free to everybody, and it seems like there's a really good wide movement there of people trying to learn, and it seems more accessible that way. And I was almost I was a little disappointed when, the first efforts, I guess, went to the university because the prices are getting really high. And unless you're getting a degree and you're a certain age to get scholarships, then it's not really accessible. I mean, that's how I started to learn, but that was because I was, it was available to me as a student. And I mean, that was the whole reason why I came here from Toronto. And but and like my kids are 6 and 9 and don't use diapers anymore, but this is still, it's as long as I'm learning Inupiaq, it's a good thing. I've got to be moving forward and not moving backwards. So, and it's yeah. Anyway, those are my thoughts.
And you could also like teach your children this when they're ready. So, and
yeah, Emily's
Mikey,
already reading. Okay. Go ahead.
Mikey, you'll be changing my kids' diapers in Inupiaq.
You better. And you're a Inupiaq teacher, and
You're doing real good.
Oh, you're changing a diaper. I don't hear Inupiaq. What did you say? Say it louder.
I know.
Mikey,
Well, I'll have
you're
to come to Alaska first.
Where do you live?
In Colorado. I'm going to college out here in Durango. It's like the Southwest Colorado.
Oh,
Yeah.
spreading Inupiaq far and wide.
Yeah, I mean, my mom and sister, they were teaching here during the summer semester. They did a language program.
Oh.
So they were teaching Inupiaq here, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah. So I think I guess I like to end classes with just like what worked in the class, what could be improved, and like how you plan to use this. And I would recommend, like, especially for Narvora to write this down and put it up in your house, like near where you change baby, and say it to him. Try to say it to him every time you change his diaper. I say the North Slope part to my kids, to my daughter all the time, but I need to practice the Inupiatun. And so, Liz, maybe I'll let you go first, Narvara, because just in case baby, in case you need to go to baby.
Which form?
Oh yeah, so I just commented in the chat. I screenshotted your form with all of the like the post base and some of the endings and also some of screenshotted the song too. So yeah, I will use this, and I appreciate all of the time and effort that you're putting into these classes. Thank you very much.
Clean up. Apostle.
Well, like I said, anytime I'm practicing Inupiaq is a good thing. So I really appreciate these classes. And the fact that they are available. You don't have to pay $900 to come practice Inupiaq. I like the test, and now I realize that I have to pay more attention in a different way. Yeah. And I think one way I could be teaching, at least Emmeline, she's already, well, I mean, Liam did UPIC immersion for a few years, and he might be open to it, but I could teach her with, this. I have to, she has so many animal stuff, she doesn't have any human stuff, the human baby little dolls. So I feel like I need to get one now. But it's good to hear Inupiaq being spoken to. And I like the communal kind of, well, classroom kind of environment, but that I can do it from home. And so how long, so you're planning to do this is a summer thing? Or you continue to the fall?
So we're about more than halfway through the first unit of my master's thesis. So I plan to keep teaching it till the end of my master's thesis, and I started in mid-May, and I will be taking off the next 2 weeks because I'll be teaching Inupiaq in Nome and Kotzebue, but I plan to make, this Saturday like my regular time to share my thesis. And this is part of like the wider group of parents who want to Inupiaq in their homes. And I'd like to make, I just want to make resources to speak to our children more widely available for our community. And so this is just, one way of doing that. But I also am trying to get fellowships and other grant funding to create like posters, phrase labels, books, and basically develop a home learning curriculum. So probably expanding off of my master's thesis. So this is just like one small piece of like a wider thing that I'm trying to do.
Cool.
But maybe I'll let Pare, do you want to share?
Yeah, I really like learning about the structure and like all the grammar because I've heard it from mom and you but like growing up, but I've found it hard like if I'm reading it how to like distinguish the different structures. And I feel like if I knew a little bit more about like, like these endings, and I could like identify those, so when I'm reading it, I can just have a better grasp on how it's all written out, or how it essentially works. But I know you're big on immersion, but that's just one thing that I like. So I liked going over the plural and the post endings. I don't know if in the earlier lectures you were doing a little bit more of that or not, but yeah.
Yeah, I can include the little charts I made.
Mm.
Make that more a regular part of it. But I also would recommend doing Edna's grammar book, year 1 and 2. That's where I learned Inupiat grammar, and
Oh,
so
Is
also
it?
a book. A grammar book that I would recommend is the Barrel one. I'll go get it. Hang on.
yeah, that's the one I'm talking about.
Oh, what's it say? And there's Edna's dictionary too.
Yeah,
which is
Edna
super
actually
cool.
Edna recommends using the back of her dictionary for the most updated grammar of, yeah. And actually, Inupiat Online, have you ever looked at that? It's
So, trick it into letting me show you.
Inupiat Online is Edna's grammar book, or not grammar book, Edna's dictionary, but there's like grammatical information
Oh,
Cool.
and
I didn't know she had an online version.
yeah, and you can build words in that. It's super cool. I use it
Oh,
all the time.
that's amazing.